Hey everyone, welcome to my channel again with a brand new video. And in today's video I'm gonna tell you how you can play the videos which is available on Google Drive. You can play it on MX player or any video player. You can play the video which is available on Google Drive. So first let's open the Google Drive. If you don't have the Google Drive application on your Android smartphone, you have to download it from Google Play Store, and first you need to save the photos and videos, whatever you want to save. You can save it, and if you don't know how to save it, you can watch our videos how to save the photos and videos on Google Drive, and you can watch the all videos which is available on Google Drive Google Drive playlist. Okay, so for example, I have uploaded these videos. Okay, so I want to play it on MX player or MI player, any player. Okay, so for that, what you need to do, you just need to click on three dot which is available on the top right corner. Click there, and then you will see several options, but you need to go to the sixth number which is open with. Okay, so click open with, and it will take your data. So I have disabled the data here. It will take the data, mobile data, or if you have connected your device with Wi-Fi, then it will be better because it will consume your data. So make sure if you have the data, then only you can choose this option, or if you have connected with Wi-Fi, then only you can choose this option. Otherwise you will not be able to play this videos from the external playlist, external video player. Okay, or if you want to play on the Google Drive application, you just need to click on the videos and it will be played. And for that also you need the. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today in this video you have learned how you can play the videos on MX player, which is available on Google Drive's videos. You can play on MX player. Thank you so much for watching this video. For this type of more content, you can subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, if this video is helpful for you, you can like this video as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.